This simple and so delicious chicken caprese is filled with so many wonderful Italian flavors and is so easy to make. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, the #1 source for single serving recipes. You might be familiar with a caprese salad. Well, we've taken the wonderful flavors found in a caprese salad and added a juicy chicken breast for a quick dinner that's perfect any day of the week. Let me show you how to make it. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a 6-ounce boneless, skinless chicken breast in a small baking dish. I'm using a 6 by 9 inch baking dish, but you can use what you have if the dish comfortably holds the chicken. Sprinkle with a half a tablespoon of olive oil, a quarter of a teaspoon of dried basil, a quarter of a teaspoon of dried oregano, an eighth of a teaspoon of garlic powder, an eighth of a teaspoon of kosher salt, and an eighth of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then add a third of a cup of chopped red onions. And at the end of the video, we'll give you some tips on what to do with the leftover onion. Next, you'll cut the tomato into quarters. I like using a Roma tomato because it's the perfect size for this dish. Drizzle about a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar over the top of the chicken and the vegetables. Put the baking dish in the oven and bake the chicken for 30 minutes. After the chicken is cooked through, take the chicken out of the oven and add mozzarella cheese to the top. Place the baking dish back into the oven and bake for an additional 5 minutes until the cheese has melted. So that's it. It's an easy dinner to make. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button and the bell below to get notified so you don't miss out on any recipes like this one. And here's a tip for that red onion that you have left over. You can store the cut onion in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. You can also chop the remainder of the onion and freeze it. When you're ready to use onions in a recipe, just take out the amount of frozen onion you need and add it to your dish. You can add them frozen and they'll thaw while they cook. Looking for more single serving recipes? Well, you can find hundreds at OneDishKitchen.com. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.